And here we got the Yeezy foam runner stone salt.
Hey y'all, this is Archie. Back with another video. Today we're gonna find out what's inside
This box, I just got in a box from Adidas, and this could be either one of two things. This could be some slides or some foam runners. And yeah, let's just get straight into this. Whatever this is, it came out on August 11th of 2023, week 2 of Yeezy Day. And it could either be the Slate Marine Yeezy slides or the sea salt foam runners. So yeah, let's just get this box open. Open up both sides. And here we go, guys. And here we got the Yeezy foam runner stone salt. These happened to drop on August 11, 2023 for a retail of $90. Currently reselling for about $120. You got the grayish color. And yeah, typical Yeezy foam runners. We got these in a size 11. On the top, you can see the foam. On the side, you can see the runner. And on the bottom, you can see that we got the Yeezy foam runner size 11 colorway stone salt made by Adidas. And I actually folded out the box because when you get the Yeezy foam runners in, you just see that it is a plain box. So I folded it out. I'm gonna link a tutorial into the description to someone's tutorial of how to do that to make the box look like this instead of the plain brown box. Make it look like the rest of your Yeezys. And yeah, let's just get to an on-foot look and what's inside the box. So we got the box right here. We gonna look what's inside this box right here. Of course, we got the foam runner in one hand, and then we got the foam runner in the other. And then what we got inside the box right here, we got in a little Yeezy size tag, size 11 and all that. And then we got the brand new card that Adidas has been putting in all the brand new Yeezys. And it talks about standing up to all hate and donating to anti-Semitism and anti-hate groups. And then we got the typical Yeezy Adidas wrapping paper. And now let's just get onto the on-foot look of these brand new foam runners. And here we got the Yeezy foam runner stone salt on foot. It's the typical foam runner. It's the bottom of them. And I say they walk pretty comfortably. It's like a typical foam runner. We got it on the side, we got the front right here, and then we got the back. And yeah, what I did happen to notice, compared to my Clay Red foam runners, which are also a size 11, I feel like these are bigger, and you can tell. We got the size comparison right there. I feel like these are, like, you can see they're wider and all that, but maybe it's because I've worn them. And then this is a on-foot comparison. Like, you can see these are much looser, much bigger. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do for today's video. We went over the brand new Yeezy Stone Salt. And yeah, if you mess with the video, go to check out my other video, my Yeezy 450 slide review. That is in the description down below. And I hope if you messed up with the video, you can decide to like the video and subscribe to see more future videos similar to this. Yeah.